Hello everyone, this is the fifth tutorial of Arduino. In this tutorial, you will be learning all about how to interface a 16 cross LCD with Arduino. If you want to watch my previous Arduino tutorials, please visit my page or my YouTube channel. First, we will discuss all about LCD. It is a programmable liquid crystal display which consists of 16 rows and 2 columns, which means you can display 32 alphanumeric characters. The column starts from 0 to 15, likewise there are 2 rows 0 and 1. Further, each character is displayed in a 5 cross 2 matrix. Now, we will move on to the pin configuration. It consists of total 16 pins, VSS for ground, VDD for 5 volts, VE for setting contrast of LCD, RS for resistor select, RW pin. If we are reading from the LCD, then set RW pin as high, and if we are writing onto the LCD, then set RW pin as low. Then enable pin E, 8 data pin from D0 to D7, and anode and cathode pin for the backlight. The 16 cross 2 LCD can be used in 4-bit mode or 8-bit mode. That means we can send data either by using 4 data pins of LCD or 8 data pins of LCD. Now we move on to the circuit diagram. For the simulation of this circuit, I am using the online platform Tinkercad. To know how to use Tinkercad platform, please watch my first tutorial of Arduino. Take a Arduino Uno board, a breadboard, a potentiometer and a LCD. Connect 5V pin of Arduino to the positive rail of breadboard and ground pin of Arduino to the negative rail of breadboard. Connect first pin of potentiometer to the ground and third pin of potentiometer to the 5 volts. Connect ground pin of LCD to the ground, VCC pin of LCD to the 5 volts. Connect LED cathode pin of LCD to the ground. Then take a resistor, connect its one pin to the LED anode pin of LCD and second pin of resistor to the 5 volts. Connect V0 pin of LCD to the middle pin of the potentiometer. Connect D4 pin of LCD to the 5th pin of Arduino, D5 pin of LCD to the 4th pin of Arduino, D6 pin of LCD to the 3rd pin of Arduino, D7 pin of LCD to the 2nd pin of Arduino. Connect RS pin of LCD to the 12th pin of Arduino, enable pin of LCD to the 11th pin of Arduino and RW pin of LCD to the ground. First, include the library for LCD which contain all the function of LCD. We will define all the pins used for LCD. In the void setup, we will initiate LCD using lcd.begin command. In the void loop, we will set the cursor to the first block of LCD, that is row 0 and column 0 by using the command setCursor. Then we will print welcome to onto the LCD. Then for printing on the second row of LCD, we will again set the cursor by using setCursor command. Then we will print Electrovigyan onto the LCD. Click on the simulation. As you can see that welcome to Electrovigyan is printed on the LCD. Likewise, you can print anything. You can also change the text after a given period of time by using the same command and delay function. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share and comment, and follow my page and YouTube channel Electro Vigyan. The link is in the description.